Here's how to make red, white, and blue cupcakes. To prepare the white cake, beat butter and shortening at medium speed with an electric mixer until creamy. Gradually add sugar, beating well. Add eggs one at a time, beating until blended after each addition. Combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Add to butter mixture alternately with buttermilk, beginning and ending with flour mixture. Beat at low speed until blended after each addition. Stir in the extracts. Place paper baking cups in two 12-cup muffin pans and spray with cooking spray. Spoon batter into cups, filling 2/3 full. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until a wooden pick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool in pan for 10 minutes. Remove from pans to wire racks and cool completely. Fill each cupcake with strawberry or blueberry jam. To fill cupcakes, insert the end of a wooden spoon or dowel into the center of the cupcake to make a hole. Fill a zipped-up plastic freezer bag with filling. Use scissors or kitchen shears to snip about 1/4 inch from one corner of the bag. Insert bag into the hole in the cupcake. Squeeze gently until filling comes to the top of each cupcake. To prepare the vanilla frosting, beat the first 4 ingredients at medium speed with a mixer until creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, beating at low speed until blended. Beating at low speed will prevent the powdered sugar from making a mess. Then mix on high speed for 2 minutes, and you should have about 3 cups of frosting. Divide the frosting into 3 bowls. Add the red food coloring to one, blue food coloring to another, and leave the third bowl white. Next, add a large star decorating tip to a piping bag. The tricky thing about swirled frosting is keeping the colors from mixing together too much, but this method makes it easy. Put the decorating bag in a large cup and fold the bag over the rim. Use a rubber spatula to add red frosting to the bag, but scrape the spatula on the edge of the cup. The frosting should stay in place. Now add a scoop of blue frosting next to the red using the same scraping motion. Then repeat with the white frosting. Repeat this process 2 or 3 more times. Once the bag is full, pipe a swirl of frosting on each cupcake and top with sprinkles and fondant stars. These cupcakes are perfect for a 4th of July party. You can also change the colors to match any occasion. Enjoy!